the Carywon, the portable air compressor. Let's see how this works.
You know what time it is. Welcome to the channel. Come on in, let's have some fun.
What's up everybody, Julian McClurkin, and welcome to the channel. I have a really cool product here. This is gonna be my first product review I've ever done, so hopefully it goes well. But this is a product I ordered from Amazon because, as you know, I travel all over the world. When I travel, I take a basketball with me. Now, I have to deflate that basketball because when you fly, the air expands and the ball could explode if it's fully inflated. It's science, just trust me. So I constantly have to deflate this basketball and then inflate it again. Now, I have been pumping this up by hand for the last 8 years when I travel with this thing, and it gets tiring. So I needed a new solution. My old pump broke, so went out and got this puppy, and this is gonna pump the ball automatically for your boy, hopefully. So we're gonna do an open box. Just tell you, this is a portable air compressor pump with multiple uses, which can be compatible with almost all size tires of cars, bikes, motorcycles, SUVs, sports equipment, and other inflatable toys. Specifications: maximum inflation is 150 PSI. We will not be exceeding that with this basketball. Oh, really cool features though. It has a USB cable for charging. And that's really the only cool thing. But I like how small it is. Like, hopefully this thing works out. So I'm gonna pop it open. I don't know if you guys open things like this, but this is how I do it. I just boop, take an ink pen, and that's broken. But before it broke, it got the job done. All right. Oh wait, I gotta turn the camera around so you can see this. All right, so here we go. Try to pop this puppy off here. Oh, cool, just kind of slides in. Look at that. Heavy duty rechargeable battery, built-in power bank. And it looks like instructions are in English for the most part. Okay, who needs instructions? All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Got a nice little carrying case here. Look at that. This is wonderful. What is this, velvet? Okay, sorry. We got 2 pieces here. Looks like this is the battery type thing. This, as they say, is where the magic happens. All right. Okay. Now, they would get extra credit points from me if... Stuck to my hand. Okay. They would get extra credit points from... They would get extra credit points from me if they had a needle somewhere, and I'm not... I hear something shaking, but I don't think it's a needle in there. Wait a minute. What's this? Oh, snap, they got, is that a needle? They got something in here. Let me find out. Now, this looks like it's for like stuff and things. Maybe like inflating your, you know, air beds or something. Oops. So they've got these little extenders on there. This is pretty cool, man. I'm feeling this so far. Now, they would get extra credit points from me if they have a charge on here already. If it comes charged. Now, look, I don't need instructions to tell me that this goes on here. Like, that's pretty simple. Then you just twist. All right. Now, power button. Bam! Let there be light. Okay, before we get too far here, looks like this goes into this area. Alrighty. And then, it's hard to tell. Oh yeah, we got 3 bars on our battery there. We're in good shape. All right, so I'm assuming you probably just set the PSI to what you want it to. KPA, PSI, right there. That's 72, that's too high. Actually, I don't know what the PSI is supposed to be for a basketball. That's worth a Google. Let me Google that real quick. All right, so cool. Looks like 7.5 is what we're looking for in the PSI meter. I think that what happens here is you just screw the needle right into the doohickey. Oh, it doesn't screw. Okay, no, that's supposed to happen. Does that lock in? Is that how you lock it? Sorry, I haven't had to use one of these extenders on the. Yeah, that's how you lock it. All right, you want to wet the needle a little bit, and that helps it slide in. And bam. Now I'm gonna set this to 7.5 PSI. I'm gonna try to. Let's see how easy that is. Oh, well. PSI. Let's go up. All right, so I'm 57, 56. Oh yeah, need to go way down, way down. 7.5. Now this can inflate a car tire, and those on average are around 35 to 40 PSI. So here we go, 7.5. All right, now what do we do? All right, let's just press that button down there. That shows me how much battery is on there. But how do you actually initiate the pumping? Oh, what was that? Oh, I turned it off. All right, so I think I see what's happening here. Because the PSI is set so low, as soon as it feels the pressure, it kicks off. So I think I'm gonna set it a little bit higher. I'll set it up to about 20 PSI so it won't feel pressure until it gets, at least semi-inflated. Then I'll turn it back down. So let's go ahead and turn that up. But I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Turn it up to 20.5. Let's live a little. All right, press power. Okay, you see that? Every time it gets to 20, it stops. It stops. See that? Every time it gets to 20, it stops. So even 20 isn't enough, but I can tell the ball's getting inflated very slowly, very slowly. So let's turn it up a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with just turning it up. I'm gonna take it up to, let's take it up to 50.
That's super fast.
Oh, you know what? Battery's not charged fully, so that could be keeping us from being great here. So what I'm gonna do is attach the battery to the USB thingy. This even has a output for the USB, so if you need to charge your phone, you can do it on this. That's pretty cool. So let's plug it up and see if that allows it to go and be great again. All right, let's plug this bad boy up. Oh yeah, now we got action. All right, here's what I'll do. I'm gonna set this right here, and I'll turn this on, and I'll I'll just kind of let it go by itself, and we can fast forward it. Settings. Maybe I should read the instructions. Charge battery before using. Check. Okay, this battery is clearly not charged enough, so we'll do this later. Okay, I think we're good on the charge, so I'm gonna plug this back in. Just like this. And click. Turn that back on. Let's get this guy in there. All right, there we go. And blinking, yeah. You know what though? It's about there. That's pretty much good enough. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. So, one charge, one fill up. And what did I learn today about the Carywon air compressor, portable air compressor? Couple things. I got some pros and I got some cons. Always, I'm gonna start with the cons. The Carywon cons. Caracons, if you will. It is slow, right? I could have pumped that thing up myself quicker than that. All in all, it took about 4 minutes to pump up, and it's not all the way to full pump capacity. Looking here, it looks like I could have tightened it a little bit more, so maybe that has something to do with it, but it was taking a while. You know, I'll give it some more test runs. I'm not throwing it out for sure because it definitely is gonna have some use for me. Another con, battery life seems to be pretty short. If I can only pump up the basketball one time on a full charge, that means I'm gonna have to always live with that charger around me. Kind of like a cell phone. Let's go to some pros. The fact that it has a rechargeable battery, awesome, and I don't have to go and buy batteries for it. The fact that the rechargeable battery it uses a micro USB to recharge, totally cool with. I like that. And look at the portability of this thing, man. It's super small. This, of course, doesn't have the bottom part yet. The base extends back out to that far. But I would totally recommend this to somebody who's like me, you travel, and you need a small pump. Overall, I would recommend, I would definitely recommend this. You guys, in the comment section, if you have anything you want me to rate or talk about, go ahead and mention it down there in the topic section, in the comments. Mention it down there in the comments. If you guys want to purchase one of these yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down there in the description of this video on Amazon where you can go and purchase this. It's pretty cool. I like it. If you need one, go to my link right down there. Down there. All right, see you guys later. E.T. phone home. Until next time, holler at your boy.